Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about a car that blends history with modern design in a way that few vehicles manage to pull off. We're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Nuova Fiat 127 Sports Coupe, a revival of an Italian classic that originally stole hearts in the 1970s. Now it's back, but reimagined for a new generation of drivers, those who want personality, performance, and practicality, wrapped in one undeniably stylish package. Looking at the car from the front, you're instantly greeted with a face that nods respectfully to the original 127 while embracing the present day. Slim, rectangular LED matrix headlights are tucked into a simple, yet bold front fascia. The grille design is minimal, refined, and proudly carries the Fiat badge in the center with subtle chrome and black accents. There's a modern, almost concept-like, clean aesthetic here. Nothing feels overly aggressive or artificially sporty, yet the stance is solid. The lower bumper has a functional air intake setup that adds depth to the front end without making it too busy. Shifting to the side profile, this compact coupe feels athletic without screaming for attention. The roofline sweeps gently toward the rear with a slightly sloped fastback silhouette, giving it a sporty posture without compromising headroom. The doors are long, frameless, and subtly sculpted. Flush door handles and an absence of chrome contribute to a clean and almost futuristic look. Black wheel arch surrounds and side skirts give it a grounded appearance, while the alloy wheel options, starting at 17 inches and going up to 18, fit snugly into the arches. There's a real balance here between nostalgia and modernity. It doesn't feel like a copy of the past. It feels like a reinterpretation done with care. At the rear, the car keeps things simple and retro-cool. The squared-off LED tail lights are a clear tribute to the original 127, bordered by clean lines and minimal flourishes. A sleek horizontal bar carries the updated 127 insignia in the middle, tying the tail lights together visually and breaking up the rear fascia nicely. There's a slight ducktail integrated into the trunk lid that enhances aerodynamics and adds character. The rear bumper is sculpted with reflectors tucked into the corners and dual exhaust tips peeking out confidently from underneath. Even here, everything feels cohesive, retro inspiration with a fresh, polished execution. Step inside the cabin, and you're met with a surprising level of sophistication. The dashboard is a layered composition of soft-touch materials, stitched details, and recycled Alcantara. A wide, 12-inch infotainment screen floats in the center, with sharp resolution and haptic feedback. Below it sits a slim climate control interface, physical buttons thankfully, making everyday usability refreshingly simple. A digital driver's display shows customizable data from navigation to performance, and the entire interface is responsive, fluid, and far more mature than previous Fiat systems. The seats are sport-inspired, wrapped in leatherette with suede, inserts and bright contrast stitching. They're bolstered enough for spirited driving but still cushy enough for everyday use. The front seats offer heating and optional ventilation, and the rear, while tight, isn't a total afterthought. It's more practical than you'd expect from a coupe, with fold-down seatbacks expanding the surprisingly spacious cargo area. Ambient lighting runs subtly along the doors and dashboard, changing colors depending on the drive mode or user preference. When it comes to what's under the hood, the Nuova 127 comes with two main engine options. The base engine is a 1.2-liter, turbocharged three-cylinder mild hybrid producing about 125 horsepower. It's efficient and ideal for city cruising, offering light electric assist for start-stop traffic and improved fuel economy. But the more exciting option is the 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder in the Sportivo variant. That model bumps up the power to 180 horsepower and pairs it with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It's front-wheel drive, and while that might not sound thrilling on paper, the chassis dynamics and light curb weight make it nimble and fun. In the corners, acceleration in the Sportivo trim takes you from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 7 seconds, which is impressive for a car of this size. The suspension is tuned for sporty comfort, firm but not punishing, with a lower ride height and tighter steering than the standard variant. Brakes are responsive, cornering grip is solid, and there's even a bit of growl from the exhaust when you push it. It's not a hardcore performance car, but it absolutely delivers a spirited driving experience with the right balance of control and playfulness. pricing is one of the 127's strongest selling points, starting at just around $23,000 in Europe, or under $25,000 in the US. The base model brings a lot of charm and usable tech without breaking the bank. The Sportivo version lands closer to $28,000, depending on your chosen options and regional taxes. For that, you get upgraded wheels, better performance, enhanced interior trims, and access to Fiat's latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking. Optional extras include a panoramic glass roof, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and wireless charging. For buyers interested in a unique car that stands apart from the sea of crossovers, this coupe offers something rare. If you're a city driver who loves a bit of nostalgia, the base model is perfect for you. If you like to enjoy a spirited drive on the weekends without sacrificing daily comfort, the Sportivo is absolutely worth the step up. There's also talk of a fully electric version coming later this year, which could expand its appeal to eco-conscious buyers without compromising style. The 2025 Nuova Fiat 127 Sports Coupe is not just another modern car with a retro badge. It's a thoughtfully designed, genuinely enjoyable small coupe that delivers charm, personality, and practicality in one stylish package. It's not trying to compete with the most powerful hot hatches or the flashiest crossovers. It's carving out its own lane entirely. Fiat has taken a piece of history and updated it for today in a way that feels authentic, modern, and fun. Thanks for hanging out with me for this deep dive. If you enjoyed the review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments if the new 127 hits the mark for you. Would you drive one? Or do you think Fiat should have gone in a different direction? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Until next time, take care and drive something that makes you smile.